What's going on, guys? Steve Sam here with Beyond the Build, and we continue our hashtag road to SEMA. We've already painted some of the interior parts, but now we're going to continue and prep the rest of them. So let's get to work. Alright guys, now that the interior pieces have already been painted black, it's going to be time to put it back in, Z. So let's get to it. Okay, so we have a majority of the interior in, and it looks amazing. So perfect. Nice refreshed black. Goes well with our color scheme, the black and blue. Let's add the Z emblem. Wow, look at that. Woo-hoo. That looks great. I love this blue. Thank you, Colorbond Paint. So, alright guys, let's get back to work. Alright guys, so we have most of the interior in. Now we're going to install some Memphis speakers that we haven't had a chance to, so now most of the interior is out. We can do it right now. So I'll have my buddy Donato Cruz take care of it right now. Right? Oh, look at those. Yeah. You know, we installed the ones in the door panel, but we haven't done these ones yet because they're just hassle. Look at all the things that have to take apart. Mostly the interior. So we have the door panels right here. That was a little bit easier to do, but in order to get access to this back part right here, you have to take off this panel, this center one, and the back one, and our hardest part. So now we got it right here. Let's get to it. Alright guys, the back half of the interior in, and wow, the black really has come out and shine. With just retouching it, it's a little bit dusty right now. We're going to wipe it down, but with just retouching it, it looks amazing. We're going to wipe it down and show it its true shine when we're all done. Alright, let's keep going. Alright guys, so right here in the center console that's going to be blue, we're going to paint the pods that are holding the gauges black. So right now what I'm doing is just taping off each edge, making sure that we get this part nice and masked off so we can get this black. Alright, let's get to it. Dude, this looks sick! Blue and black. Woo! Look at this right here. It's gonna look amazing. Let's put a little light to this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, cherry man. Alright, now at this point we're going to go ahead and add the clear to every single part. Give it a nice and clean shine. Alright, let's get to it. Last layer of clear has already been added. Now we're just going to have to wait overnight, wait for it to cure. And get to it again on the next day. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. We'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.